Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options to Play video update. So as we kind of get towards the end of this year, and a lot of people are starting to talk about this whole concept of tax law selling and January effect. I feel like there's been more attention on a lot of like the beaten down stocks, right? A lot of names, a lot of names have gotten hit very hard over the last few months. A lot are well off their highs or down a lot just over like the last 6 to 7 to 8 week stretch. And there's just a ton of different names to choose from um, when it comes to like these like broken beaten down stock type reversal setups, right? So one of the things that I just want to highlight is that not all of them are created equal, right? A lot of them are down a ton, but not all of the bounces are created equal. There is some relative strength starting to emerge, and there's certain names that are starting to show that maybe they are better near-term focus trades versus others. Okay, meaning, and this is like something you can spot, I think, like pretty clearly, is that stocks that have bounced. So in the beginning of December, we had a lot of bounces in these names, right? And then over the last couple of weeks, a lot of them have started to move back to the lows. Some have not, right? The stocks that have stabilized at higher levels are showing you that there's more aggressive buyers, right? People have stepped in heavier on these and are defending higher prices, right? So they haven't given back the gains from earlier December, and they haven't gone down to retest the low, right? So Zillow, beaten down name, bounced, holding a higher level, right? It's relatively stronger compared to a lot of like the basket of names that are kind of in like a similar performance territory, right? Disney, another one, beaten down name, right? Hasn't drifted back to low. Yeah, it might not look particularly good, but it looks better than other stocks that have drifted back down, right? So early December bounce, it's attempting to stabilize at a higher price point, right? Now compare that to something like Snap. So Snap had the broken bounce, right? But Snap drifted, and put in a new low. So I mean, look at Zillow, look at Disney, right? How does it compare to Snap? Snap had the bounce and now it continued to head south. So like this is a name to me that says like this people weren't willing to get into this. You got the oversold bounce, then it drifted lower, put in a new low, right? People weren't aggressively stepping into this name. PayPal, another one that a lot of people have been focused on. You had the bounce, but then it drifted back down, and now it's just sitting above the low again, right? So whereas some of these other names held higher levels, there's still a lot of other stocks that didn't and have drifted right back down to their lows. So if you're focusing on like these oversold bounce plays, to me, I want to be focusing on the ones that are showing relative strength, okay? The ones that are holding higher levels, the ones where people are stepping in, where traders are starting to get more aggressive buying them up, right? Where they can defend higher price points and are not just drifting back down to where they were at the end of November and December, all right? So option trade wise, again, if you're looking at trades on these, it's the same story as the rest of the swing trades right now. It's like looking for like the quick moves, taking your money faster and keeping your stops tighter, because reversals tend to play out pretty quickly and there isn't a lot of continuation on a day-to-day basis. So like a lot of the swing trades, it's like catching the quick move, making sure you're locking in money, and if it's not working, making sure you got a tight stop. All right. So we'll see what happens the remainder of this week. We've had two big moves to start the week. It is the holiday shortened week, so Wednesday and Thursday. Not really sure what to expect, but as long as indices keep moving, then that creates opportunities, right? So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, or spotting some of these broken bounce type plays, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and then we'll talk to you all tomorrow.